From this question, quadrilateral PQRS is given, where the construction has to be done. From R, we are going to drop a perpendicular. Name this point as M. RM is perpendicular on PQ. ठीक है? So what you are obtaining here? A rectangle and a triangle. What type of triangle we are getting here?
Right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle. So area of quadrilateral means four-sided figure. Area of quadrilateral PQRS equals to area of rectangle AB PQR PMRS plus area of triangle RMQ. ठीक है? For finding the area of rectangle, we should have, what is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So this is rectangle and we should have the length and breadth of this rectangle. What this total height is given? Total length of this side is given PQ 60 centimeter. And if we have drawn a perpendicular from R to M, ठीक है? What will be the part? What will be the measurement of this side? PM. It is the opposite side. We have completed the rectangle. ठीक है? So what will be the length of this part? PM. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. ठीक है? So if SR is 36, so PM will be
36.
What will be the remaining length? NQ.
60 minus 36.
24. I want the answer.
24.
24 centimeter. Fine. But still we don't have height, breadth of the rectangle. So how we can find out breadth of the rectangle?
Ram length in the
RQ
Breadth we don't have.
RQ is equals to 25, so the perpendicular should be 25.
It is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the perpendicular. That perpendicular will be height for the right angle triangle, and that perpendicular will be breadth for this rectangle. If we will find out this part, RM will be the breadth for the rectangle, and it will be height for the triangle. So by which theorem we can find out this? In triangle RMQ by Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to P square plus B square. H square means which side? RQ square is equal to RM square plus MQ square. Any problem in this part? No. Which part we have to find out? RM. So RM is what? Perpendicular square is equal to H square minus B square. H square means 25 square minus B square is 24 square. Can you tell me what is the square of 25? 25? 625. Square of 24? 576. ठीक है? So what will be the value of perpendicular? Perpendicular square is 49. So what will be the value of perpendicular? 7. ठीक है? P into P is equal to 7 into 7. So this part, this will be the length.
7.
This will be the breadth of the rectangle, and it will be perpendicular for the triangle. Now area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to length into breadth plus half base into height. Length is 36 into 7 plus half base, that is 24 into height, that is 7. 36 into 7. 252. 12 into 7. 84. What's the sum? 336. Unit?
Centimeter square.
Centimeter square. square. So this is the total area of the quadrilateral PQRS.